Hi everybody, I am Bassem Boutros from Egypt. I talking with you now from the campus of Piedmont University in North Carolina. I am very impressed that finally I am here in the college that God has already used that college to change completely my life. It is very privileged to me to say that I already took my master degree with Piedmont at the year 2008. Was a very solid biblical teaching. Already this teaching has already changed all my life to see the book like it is a real book. I want you to know that Piedmont already done a very solid and biblical and profitable mission and job in the Middle East. We have now in the master degree 100 students working in Master of Biblical Studies and 120 students working in undergrad. The undergrad program is fully equipped with nationals, with Egyptians, teachers, administrators, all fundraising, all from Egypt. We work in addition, we work in Lebanon and in Jordan in master degree. So I want from my heart to tell you that you were and you are already very blessing to us. You did a very biblical and solid work in the Middle East. We wish that we all can continue to be a partners, to work together, to serving God in the region. Thank you.